Okay, here is a game that I typed into my Model 100. A proper video on this computer will be coming. I just have to get a multiple gigabyte video from my phone to my computer so I can upload it. So load the game, run. Yeah, typing while holding my phone. So instructions, I already know how to play the game. So let's go with difficulty 5. So basically, this is a very simple game where you just avoid the walls. And if you fail to do so, boom, dead. And that is Road Rally, a game I typed into my Model 100.